going to be performed to make Delhi a safe place to live in. Thank you.
And the friends, I really welcome you all. In spite of the bad weather, you people are here. I thank you for that. So you people must be wondering that what this Mirchi Chhok is. Mirchi Chhok का मतलब क्या है? I will explain you that in a moment. But just before that, I would like to talk something about independence. As you know, we celebrated our Independence Day last Sunday only. Some of you must have taken rest in the home, some must have gone to see the parades, some must have gone outside for a movie, or some must have spent their time with the families. But what was the common factor with us? A fear in our mind to keep ourselves safe and to away from the anti-social elements. अगर बेटी बाहर जाती है तो हमें हमेशा ये डर है कि उसके साथ कुछ हो ना जाए. अगर कोई अकेले जा रहा है तो वो टाइम से घर आ जाए. And sometimes just to avoid these unwanted situations, we travel in groups. So I really ask you people that is this the way to celebrate our Independence Day or to live any other day of our life? For me, this has diluted the meaning of independence. We know that today we are not safe in the people of our own, we are in the hands of our own people in fact. So, for me, the partial independence is no independence. I would like to put certain statistics from the National Bureau of Crime in front of you. In year 2008, we had 32,000 cases of murders, 21,000 cases of rapes, around 40,500 cases of molestation, and 30,000 cases of kidnapping and abduction. And as we all know that in India, most of the cases of crimes are never registered nor reported. So these data were really shocking for me, and I think you people are surprised too. So there is enough violence against the women in our society, a society where the women are worshipped and they are respected as mothers and sisters. So, we're really scared in driving alone in the night. We know that anything can happen to us. Somebody can come and even kill us just for something as small as road rage. So, this is the high time that we should think over this subject and we should try to bring out some change, a complete transition of mind and soul, and we should stop being the victims now. So, coming to the Mirchi Chhok is a concept which has been my dream for so many years. It has taken the efforts of so many people and the homework of many months to come into this shape and to be presented in front of you. I just want to ask you people that whenever we talk, who is responsible for our lives? Whenever we ask this question, most of the people have got a long list to blame, like media or the police or the government, the society and the system. But this is the high time that we should take care of ourselves and we should know the importance of self-defense. So Mirchi Chhok, I would like to tell you briefly what are the aims of Mirchi Chhok, not taking much of your time. What we aim is to develop a sense of mutual respect and a sense of protection in all the members of the society, to develop a sense of fear in the antisocial elements, to create an atmosphere of peace and harmony, and the most important is to make women aware of their strengths and the rights so that there are no unregistered cases in the society. Besides this, we want to make women aware of their power which they possess but they hardly use. So how to implement these things? What is our action plan? I'll tell you in brief. What we plan to do is, we want to do a national level awareness campaign with the help of the mass media, propagating the importance of self-defense and cross-defense. We will teach the simple techniques of self-defense and cross-defense. Our concept is that every woman should keep a packet of chili powder in their wallets, which could be a lifesaver at the time of distress. we are making a nationwide body in which with a helpline number that is written here 60 60 61 61 60 60 etc etc. So anybody who is in distress or who needs some help, they can always call us on this helpline. We'll try to solve their problems with the help of the law enforcing agencies and the government and the non-government organizations. Besides this, we are also making a nationwide cab system. We are planning to, a cab system exclusively, cab services in fact exclusively for the women. The cabs will be driven by the women only, and the cabs will be by the women and for the women. Just to propagate the importance of cross defense and salt defense, we will be using the street events like Nukkad Nataks, theatres and seminars, and the public displays will be used to get our messages across. So this is our whole plan. We are also making a chain of the human volunteers who will help each other, and they will help other people also at the time of the need. So this is our plan, and I think this is a total new social revolution. So Mirchi Chowk is in fact it is not a program or a campaign. In fact, it is the way of living your life with dignity, freedom and responsibility. Thank you.
To light this revolution to the reality, may I request Dr. Seema Malik to
Your Excellency, would you like
Hello. Hello. दीप प्रज्वलित करके ही इस रिवोल्यूशन की शुरुआत है. Thank you so much, and everybody holding the light gives us